Good afternoon, everybody. Wasn't going to come on Friday afternoon, but I decided to come on. Figured why not? Kind of cut you guys short this morning. So we're on now. Got about another hour and a half or so of trading. Not going to really call it anything unless you guys want me to. You can ask. So don't expect that. This is question and answer time. Let's just keep everything happy and joyful. Let's make a lot of money learning how to trade. Ask all the questions you want. 8/2/24 Friday. All right, let's go back over here. Grab these. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I really hope my thing comes in over the weekend. I miss not walking. Almost all done. Save. Yep, done. All right, where's my chat at? Let's make sure we're live on TikTok. Where is TikTok at? Let's see. TikTok. Yep, we're live on TikTok. Awesome. We're live on YouTube. Awesome. Let me move this over a little bit. What's up, Big D? Warren BCM. Good evening or good afternoon to y'all. Who do we got over here? Good afternoon. Come on now, really? Good afternoon, Jones 808. Dad Bod, good afternoon. Dozier, Philip, MH, Larry Cooper. What's up, peeps? Nice to catch you again. Yeah, it's nice to be on again. I was going to take a nap or do this. I decided to do this. Kev, when you say lock in profit, how do you do that? Just close the trade and let your runner run, or is there something else? What's up, Tony? Lock in profit means you take your stop loss. Well, for MetaTrader 4, I can't tell you exactly how to do it on all of them brokers, but I'm assuming they're the same. MetaTrader 4, like Forex. You can't do it on Nadex, for instance, but any kind of Forex.com. Hello, oh my goodness, Eagle FX, Pepperstone, Hugo's Way, those type. How you do that is you lock in profit by taking your stop loss and turning it into your take profit by putting it right above or below, depending on what you're doing. If this is a sell, it would be right below. So you don't put it above it for a stop loss. You put it below it for your stop loss. See, my stop loss are set. These are my in prices or times, sorry. So what you're going to do is the stop loss in this case, because these are sells, goes below it. So let me show you what I mean. I'll try to draw it out here for you. And good afternoon to you. So watch. If my entry, for instance, on this one, which was, whatever. I'm just going to hand draw this in. This isn't real. This is just pretend. We're just drawing it in for you guys. Let me hide this. So if my entry was here, okay, then I would put my, where'd it go? Then I would put my stop loss right here, which would be into take profit. So this one right here would be technically my entries on the orange line. I make it a risk-free trade. What you do, for instance, on MT4 is you grab your orange line, pull up on it. That's your stop loss. Then you move it down, and that becomes your take profit. It locks in your profit. Now, this thing, literally, that's what I'm in at NAS and SPX, and their sells from yesterday, though not today. So now price action can go up and down and up and down. All it wants to do, as long as it doesn't hit my take profit, I stay in the trade. Does that make sense? Whoever asked that question, who was asking that? What's up, Jamie? What's up, Filio? Yeah, absolutely. Our MT4 still work. Absolutely. No, it's not on the system. I trade it raw. I trade MT4 on my Eagle FX accounts and my Hugo's Way accounts raw. I don't have any indicators on there. I just make the call outs here and go to my MT4 and trade. So if that was you, that's how you do that. Oh, that was Dozier Big Boy. Dozier Big Boy, did I answer your question? I hope I answered that clearly for you. You can't open up two, close one down, let the other one run, but that's still silly because you still need to lock in profit on the other one. So even the one you left open, you need to move your stop loss below your entry. Any MetaTrader 4 platforms, you can do that with, any of them. Oh, okay, good. Good, Dozier. Glad you got it. Yes, sir. Yay. All right. Good afternoon, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. I didn't stay on this morning because my youngest child wanted to talk about trading. And remember my order of importance. I take care of what God wants me to do first. Thank God, I keep dropping that pen. And then I put my family second, which is wife and children. And then you guys are third because I'm here desperately trying to help you all make consistent profits. But when my child said, "Hey, Dad, you want to talk about trading?" I said, "Fuck yeah, let's go." Made a Zoom thing, emailed her over the link. Boom, we were in the meeting within 5 to 10 minutes. So that's why I left you all this morning. Nothing personal, but my children come way before you guys, like miles and miles and miles before. No offense, but they do. uh, uh. Okay, so I'm here to answer any other questions. Any trading questions at all, ask. If you want to know why I took a trade or didn't take a trade or did this or didn't do that, just ask. If your question doesn't show up, that means it's being blocked by TikTok or YouTube, and you have to email in your questions, which you can easily do, the Forex Safety Trade System at gmail.com. So any questions, I'll come first or serve. First asked, first serve, first come, first serve, first come, first serve. Obviously some more. Let me see if we filled in this gap right here. Let's see. Yeah. The 1 hour NAS is now touched. The 1 hour US 30 is now complete. The 1 hour SPX is now complete. They're all red. I'll make some call outs a little bit. Not right this second though. So does anybody have any questions? Please ask them now. If not, we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to have a lot of fun. If there's some questions, I'll answer them at any time. Anytime you guys got them, ask away. I want to save this as a template and send this in to Liv. I got a few people who need it. There we go. All right. How cute is that? Let me just find a little something here. A little something. You're going to force me to go up here, aren't you? Gonna be you. Da 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 da. Okay. Well, anyhow. Oh shit. Oh boy. Look at that shit. It's gonna be you. All right. I have in the queue. Are they visible? No, they're not. What's up, Stacy? Good afternoon. What's up, Mike Snyder? Good afternoon, Mike. Tony Plesh. Let's I'll show you what you look like over here. It's gonna be you. Dun, 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 dun. Well, I might have to pull it from over here. Oh, we got it now. But at any rate, I put to MH. There is no questions from you that I see, but I'll go back and look. Dad Bod, nope. Dozier, hi. Philip, hi. Larry Cooper, hello. Question I answered. What's up, Jamie? What's up, Filio? Tony Plesh, what's up? No MH. This is what you see. You see all those? No question from you. You're going to have to email those in to the Forex Safety Trade System at gmail.com. And then that should be pretty good for you. You should be able to ask all your questions in email form. You must be asking something that's being blocked. Gonna be you. What you're looking at is my channel. Let's go over to here. Q&A, that's us live. See if there's MH. So when you say to the blue line, how is it the blue line? How is it determined? Which blue line, MH? Are you talking about the sniper blue line? Or are you talking about the price action blue line? You need to be a little more specific. Going to be you. This is the price action blue line. This is what the H&H scanner uses for its blue lines. Or if you're talking about the sniper blue line, buy stop US 30, by the way. Buy stop US 30. Are you talking about this particular one? Down here, you'll see a whole bunch of blue lines, pink to the blue line, that, or this blue line. Target blue line. Target blue line. Well, there could be two targets. MH, you might be kind of new. You might want to watch a few of the videos in the past, look through things, check things out, that kind of thing. That's strongly recommended. There's two different ways to target things. To be clear, if they bring down US 30 and NAS and SPX all day, then overnight, especially, well, this is a weekend, so they're obviously not going to do it tonight, but especially they'll bring it back up overnight to the 10-second, 15-second blue lines. That's just what they do. So that's one way to target something. That's how you target it, because you know it's going to be going up once 2 out of the 3 do it, or at least 1 out of 3 go to their 15-minute blue line like it did here and here. Then you know US 30 is going to go to its blue line. So that's how you would target it. If you're talking about a different symbol than that and knowing how to target, we can go to gold, and we can go over to, let's show you. We'll go over to gold and see. Well, I'll just use an easy one. So on here, we have on gold daily, we're not targeting here. We're targeting the pink line going to the sniper blue line. And if you had to choose between the two, the sniper blue line being targeted, meaning this thing down here, is rules over anything else. So when this pink line is coming up towards the blue, I don't give two shits where this blue line is. Nice if it does line up like on a 2-hour sell, that like it was on NAS. I can show you on NAS today and yesterday how it was a 2-hour sell. But when this is coming from the top bottom, we're only looking for buys. So gold play any 15-second through daily buy stop until this pink line hits the target of the blue line. Just like we did before, you're going to see this pink line come up, price action will come up with it, and we'll touch this blue. And that's how we know. PA price action blue line, the upper blue line below the bottom. Yeah. So that's how I'd use it. Now, if you're trying to use the blue line for other things, let's just go over to NAS today. And if you want to look at this, because what I'll do is I make call outs. So watch. This was a I see this and I call that. So there you go. So this is a 3-hour. You're looking at NAS right here, 3-hour right there. That's how you know where we're at. This is a sell stop, red, 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 green, red, red, towards or to the blue line. This is also a sniper sell stop because this is a pink high, purple high, blue high with this. So this is all one. So let's be clear on this. In this particular case, you can clearly see the sell stop was heading towards this blue line on the 3-hour. Also, this blue line on the sniper on the 3-hour would be going down to another flat blue line, which happens to be the 4-hour. But I flat L. Can we do a 4-hour? Yeah, we can do a 4-hour sell stop to the daily blue line on the sniper. We can do a 4-hour sell stop to the 3-hour blue line on the price action. 7s if you follow that, 9s if you want me to explain it again. But that's how I can whip through all those symbols so quickly and pretty accurately. What's up, John? Good afternoon. Great day. Yes, sir, it is. What's up? I can't read your name. Oh, boy. WLGL. Can't be Glory's on vacation. Hilton Head or something. WG. Good afternoon, WG. Sorry, I don't know who you are, but good afternoon. What's up, Stacy? 2 time frame train example, 1 hour, 15-minute. No, you want to do, you said it using the 1 hour, 15 minutes. That's why I did the 2 chart example for you. Watch. You want to make sure you run the new version, which is daily controlling the hourly 30 minute, 15-minute, 10-minute, 5-minute. I'm just trying to give you a heads up there. So on your left, you put the daily. On your right, you put whatever time frame you see this thing, and this happens to be a 3-hour or 4-hour. It doesn't matter. They're all the same. So this would be a 3-hour or a 4-hour. So your 2 time frames you have to match up. You want to get clear with right here. And then you're going to see on this particular trade. Let me make sure I can have the people on. See this close enough. Yeah, I think so. So in this particular trade today and yesterday, as it was, right here, you're going to see this blue line beat high with this pink line high. It is a daily, so it's a little tricky. But the blue line is low here, high here. This is red, 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 green, red, red sell stop, and it's going to this blue line. And this blue line actually is coming down towards this blue line. All you have to remember where you're at now, so be careful with how long you hold this trade. This is really a buy stop. So this is a higher time frame buy stop. All we're doing is playing the sell stop that's forming the daily, weekly buy stop for NAS. Everybody understand that? That helps answer the question. Indicators are insanely highly. Yeah, they are. The higher time frames are impossible to be defeated. Actually, lower too, but they're just coming too quick. What's up, Malene? How are you doing? I'm doing great. Have you can you speak on the role of the purple sniper line? Yep, I can. Great, thanks. You're welcome, MH. Who else asked that question? Few time frames. Yep, that's how you do it. Yeah, make sure now. Remember, the new rules state because I've invented the order of operations, so it works on down to the. Let's be clear on this. Let's make this one chart so no one gets too confused. This daily is your machine gun pre-signal. It's going to be calling out all and controlling the hourly, the 30-minute, the 10-minute, the 5-minute. So in other words, you don't compare the 5-minute and 15 anymore. You compare the 5 minutes to the daily. So if we went over to the daily here, we can clearly see this is flat. This is kind of high. You want to look for some sell stops if you're looking at this time frame. If you want to go to lower time frames, you'd go to the hourly. And that's why this came down, if you see what this is. So if you look at this right here, this would be an hourly daily sell, right? And if you look at it through the hourly, the lower time frames, let me see if I can pop one of those up for you. You'll see some sells. See right here. There's your sell stop. So you would have caught this tail end of it on. Yeah, this is correct call on the hourly. Now you might have got some earlier ones. I don't know. We'd have to see. Yeah, look at all. I would say so. Yeah. Then you might have caught some other ones. I don't know. Again, nope. Maybe some. Oh, yep. There's some 5 minutes. Yep. There's some 5 minutes. I'm sure there was some 3 minutes too. Yeah. There's your 3 minutes. Yeah. So those are your signals from the signal service showing you can go all the way down to the 30-second technically with this. You'd play the first, look at them all. Holy shit. You play the first one or two or three. I still, one of our members concerned me when he said he thought the signals were hard to understand. I'm like, you match two arrows, but that's a fair assessment. So that's why I made the Discord room a little different. Mr. Parker, the real question is, will the Browns Cowboys week? Oh no, they're playing week one. And then, yeah, probably because Dallas Cowboys suck. We haven't won a Super Bowl since '93, 4. Yeah, we suck. With Quincy Carter, oh my goodness. With Dak Prescott as our quarterback, we will never win a Super Bowl. Just count on that. Ain't gonna happen. Hell, with Jerry Jones calling the shots, it is never gonna happen. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, you're right. All right. Any other questions on TikTok or YouTube? I'm more than willing to answer anything. Why did this do that? Why did I lose this trade? Why is XPX going up and down? Why is Bitcoin doing what it's doing? Ask away. Everything's in the charts. Everything's in the charts. Everything. Dot, 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 dot. Matt left. John left. Yeah. Dallas sucks. Uh, na, na. Let's see. Tell Adrian. No, I don't think I'm going to tell Adrian that. Britain B, Basil. Yeah, nope. We got our times over here. 30. Dot, dot, dot. Nah, 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 nah. No questions? You're the best. Yeah, okay. Thank you. I give God all the credit, but whatever. Dot, dot. Froze for the second time on this one. I only have 2 trades open in this account. My other smaller account closed out the I closed out the sell at US 30, took profit. This account's a little bit larger, not much. Again, I used to have 10. I think I'm down to like I was down to 2 or 3. I'm back to like 6 accounts in Eagle FX. There we go. Cristobal Armas. Hi, Kev. Let's go over to short term. Probably shouldn't flip those on. There's gonna be a shit ton of things. Well, let's just read it from the get go, and I'll give you the whole time frames for everybody. Da, 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 da. Okay. All right. For the extremely short term, 15 second. Let me see. 10-second. This is Bitcoin extremely short term, but I'm going to call them all out. I don't know what he considers short term, so I'll just wing it. This sure looks like a 1-minute sell stop. It's already been dipping though. We have no blue line to shoot for in the 3-minute, 5 minutes. Kind of late. It was a 3-minute, 5-minute sell stop. Technically, it was probably a 30-minute. Yeah, it was a 30-minute sell stop to the blue line. 2 hour, hit the 2 hour. Yep. So 3 hour. Ooh, yeah, that's a tough call, isn't it? See, it's right there at the 3 hour blue line. I'm going to go ahead and say play any 15-second through 3 hour sell stop till this 3 hour pink line goes down and touches this blue line. It's going to be if it touches it. It may not. If you don't want to play those sells, then I would absolutely start looking for a yeah. Oh, yeah. Daily, weekly buy stop Bitcoin. I love this trade. I don't well, do I own any Bitcoin? I don't think I own. I don't even know. I did it one time for I had like 16,000. I got rid of it. Anywho, Bitcoin from here was the number first time it happened. Second time is right here. Pink just crossed it. So purple just crossed pink. The significance of this isn't much unless you're really, really, really trying to get a very good entry. Okay, because it doesn't matter. This is gonna go up so high, it's not gonna be funny. But now we have a daily buy stop, fill in the gap where this black let me be clear, this green histogram bar and this black space and this yellow buy line, this green histogram bar is gonna go up, price is gonna go up, pink line is gonna go up. I would take any buy stop I could find on Bitcoin from 15-second through daily until this weekly pink line gets touched to the blue line, or this fill in the gap happens where the green goes up and touches the yellow, where there is no more gap. Either or of those, I'd run it off of our or where's the rest of my lines? Off of our orange May right here, and I would put a buy stop right there. Buy stop, 15-second through daily on the weekly uh, Bitcoin. And that's how I would play it. You guys play it any way, which way you want. I've been calling Bitcoin correctly. Well, forever, years, for 2 years now. But since I made a call to over 70,000, since February 8th, 2023, over a year and a half ago when Bitcoin was at 26,500. Bitcoin works with the system just like anything else, and this is a great opportunity for you. I would take any buy stop I could, short term, medium term, long term. Almost holy grail. Chris, yeah, Chris, I could talk about that. What's the cost to get what you're doing? Is that Camaro? Camaro Z28. Cool name. My daughter used to own one of those. Camaro Z28. Yes. What's the cost? Head over to here. It's $575 for the year, and if you want any of the add-ons, they range from $150 a month to $500. But this is per year. It's not auto draw. If you like the system, you do it. If you don't, you don't. Get over to thesafetytrade.com. Boop. And that's the cost of it. You get, let's be clear on this. Let's be clear so he doesn't have to. You get basically, if you turn it, I'll put it right here for you. Everything inside of here, which I'll show you what that is. but you don't get any of the signals, they cost extra. You don't get the sniper down here, that costs extra. But what you get is the core, and it's all you need to trade, by the way, let's be clear. Hey, where's my, oh, I need to open up the other chart, hold on. There we go. So what you get is everything you need to trade. If you want the other things, you can get them. This is green, 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 red. Where the fuck is my Bach indicator? Green, green, and the orange line. This is all included for the year, $575 for the year. If you wanted the sniper down here for better entries, it's $150 a month. If you wanted the signals, they just range. It ranges to whatever you might want. And that's what you get. You're welcome, Camaro. You're welcome, UO Trade. Please, can you go over the purple sniper? I kind of did for a second there, but I'll do it again. Sure. Started $500. Weeks goes up to 1900. As of today, 577 back in your account in no time. Now, thank you, Matt, for speaking up. Standing O to Matt. Standing O for Matt, turning a $500 account into a $1,900 account. Great job. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the purple line. Let's go over to the 10-second. Let's go over to the, holy shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the fuck's going on with Bitcoin? That's funny. What did I tell you guys to do? Take any buy stop you can get on Bitcoin. I'm going to go ahead and say God's ears were listening to that one. Bitcoin just shot up like a little mini rocket. That's cute as a button. Wow. It's going to be a higher time frame, though. Yeah, 4-hour buy stop, 7-hour buy. It's not so big when you get to the higher time frames. Day 12-hour buy stop Bitcoin, daily buy stop Bitcoin, weekly buy stop. Told you what it's going to do. Whether you guys believe it or not, I don't give two fucks. All right, here we go. Let's go off of Bitcoin, even though that's impressive as fuck. Yes, my sister, look, there's a 5-second Bitcoin buy right here. Green means up in our business. Let's take a quick second here to learn. I'm going to teach you all how to trade in 5 seconds. It has nothing to do with support and resistance. It has nothing to do with any of the bullshit you've been taught. Trust me, I know I've been taught the same bullshit. Green means up. We have 1 line green up, 2 line green up, 3 line green up. And then we have our bullshit detector showing a sell, which is meaning there was a lie. It's not really going to go down. 3 beats, 1 up it goes. Now, I am a little confused if I don't have the rest of my indicators here. Maybe this is why. Nope, not that one. That one. No? Oh, come now. Fine, I'll put them on later. All right, so 3 pushes these 2 up, plus we have our Bach over here, green, green, and that's why Bitcoin just went up. Now, getting off of Bitcoin. Let's head over to something that we were trading earlier. Let's go down to the 10-second mark. And you're about to see how this works. So you're asking about pink and purple. Well, evidently, Naz doesn't want to cooperate. There we go. Feel like coming. Here we go. All right, we were doing this morning and a lot yesterday morning. I'll just show you some simple stuff. Oh, we don't have the purple involved. Hold on. It doesn't matter. It works on 1 hour. I was just going to show you the faster time frames. Here we go. All right. So this right here is NAS. My system works on anything from 1-second charts, which I don't recommend trading, all the way up to monthly charts, which I strongly recommend trading. The reason why not for 1 second is it comes too fast and you guys panic. You don't know what the fuck to do. But the same rules apply there and here. This is what's called the sniper. It's equipped with 3 lines. Mainly, we only use 2, but for purposes of more direct entries. Everyone out there, so everyone can be impressed with the system, why don't you tell everyone watching, everyone out there, what this is? this a buy stop, sell stop, or nothing? And let me give you a hint. The signal surface is kind of giving this away. Green, 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 red, and there should be a green, green here. Where the freak is my thing at? Hold on. Dun, 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 dun. Feel like holding TST core, maybe? Why is that not showing us the box? Yes, there we go. Now we see the green, green. Da, 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 da. Show box. Yep, beautiful. Hold on, let me get this. Let me get these little shapes out of the way here. Boop, boop. All right, now we're golden. Let's see. Our answers were buy stop. Correct. Our answers were buy stop. Thank you, Mike. Buy stop. Jamie. Thank you, Jamie. Correct. Now, the system calls it out completely accurately for 575 for the year, like one fella asked. Abso-freaking-lutely. It works flawlessly, works every time. My indicators actually see the future with near 100% accuracy. And quite frankly, I would say 100% accuracy. Everyone has a conniption that I'm being too cocky, but the truth is, they don't miss, human error misses, but whatever. All right, so we're on the daily. Let's take a look at how this trade would develop. Green, 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 right? And then this red. So every one of these histogram bars is a day. Talking about watching paint dry. This comes at you so slowly you can't possibly miss this trade. 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. So all right, anywho, we opened up a buy stop. We place it up here at these two lines. That's all we have to do. But a lot of my members were having trouble seeing this trade. So I said, well, that's weird. I could see it like from a mile away, but whatever. So what I did was create, I pulled technically, let me be clear on what happened. I pulled from the BOK indicator, the Bach indicator out, and I made it into these lines. And I made it into a blue line, a pink line, and a purple line. The blue line is right here. When pink crosses it, that is an excellent time to put your trade in. Say you didn't want to just listen to common sense, you wanted to get a little more accurate. This works on the 5 second, 1 second, 15 second, 1 minute. When you see this, you can take this trade. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the weekly soon. The purple line, when it comes up, is absolutely your entry. You can kind of see where my signal service is basing it not on that actually, but that's what it was. So that's what it happened to be. So when this crosses like this, there's another use of it. When pink is blue is high and pink is low, and the purple crosses it down here, that is another use of it. But I personally like this one. So let me show you how this looks like on the two charts you're supposed to have open. For us, on the left, we have hold on. Yeah. On us on the left, we have to change this to weekly. On the right, we're going to go to daily. It's going to be the same thing. So watch. So right in here, right here is what we're looking for. I close my eyes. I feel like falling. So watch. This pink is crossing here. Boom. You can go ahead and put your buy stop in if you'd like, or like we were back here where this one was talking about. The one we were talking about was right here. And this is right here. See, so this daily sell is on the old code. That's not actually there anymore. I can turn the other one on for you. But this is actually your buy, and that's your pink and purple. Now, if you scooshy back a little bit more to this one right here, this actual entry right here, and all those lines you guys are seeing are buy lines that are correct, buy signals over and over again. So this first time the pink line came down, the purple didn't join it. This time the pink came down and the purple did join it. Your entry would be right where these cross. It's much more useful for 15 second, 1 minute, 3 minutes when we're doing those because they happen so quickly. You want to get the best one. Well, you can clearly see on the daily, this one went up just as much or better than this one. But out of the two of these, the first one's best, But when the pink one comes down with it, it is also an extremely good trade. So that's how it's your pink line and your violet line, purple line. You see the fill in the gap. There it is. I hope that explained things for you. Thank you, sir, for the system coach. Yeah, I didn't have to share the system with you. You're welcome. Matt. What's up? Banner video. What's up, buddy? Buy stop. Okay. Any other questions? Please ask now. Feel free. I still have some time. Let's go ahead and do. Go ahead and talk. Scrub. Scrub a dub dub. Scrub a dub dub. Got it. Thank you. Good job, Eurotrades. Good job, Mike. I'm glad you liked it, bro. What are your favorite ways to exit with Sniper? Oh, my exits are easy. I say that pretty much every day. So let me be. We'll go back to that one, and I'll go into what I was going to do. Watch. Exits on these trades couldn't be any easier. Very specific. Inside of here. Dun, 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 dun. Inside of this purple rectangle. Watch how easy this shit is. Oh my God. You have a daily. These are daily trades for NAS. I look it up with anything, doesn't matter. These are daily NASs. Pink line low, blue line high. First thing you want to do is this here. Oopsie, we got to put this back. There's NAS. And then is the pink line low. Yes, it is. So that's the first thing we notice about the trade. So this is going to be a buy. The second thing we notice, hey, this is B2 here. The signal service is telling you, hey, buy this. This is the second time. This is D2. The second time you're seeing this, this is a buy situation. Okay. So we have our buy stop, green, 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 fill in the gap, green, green, buy stop. Now let me explain something to you. Where this buy stop is right here, right? Yeah, right where it's being called, right there. I can go down to a different time frame and I will see this green, 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 red right here. I'm going to go ahead and guess it's somewhere between 4 hour and 4 hour and no, I think I was right on the first 7 hour. There we go. Yep, it's right there. So as you can see where my little line is, I'm going to have to move it back just a couple of hours right there to there. All right. This is your 4 hour daily buy stop. So I can open up 2 charts so you guys can see at the same time. I'm just trying to save you a little time. Right. So when you see this exact situation set up, y'all should take pictures of this and remember it by heart. Right? When you see this set up, the trade is going to go up, period. And of course, it was called out to go up. It did go up and it went up, period. Blue line high, pink line low, green, 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 fill in the gap, green, green. It's a buy stop. Put this little line up here and take it. Well, this fill in the gap right here lets us know I can exit this trade one of two ways. It's going to be called back here, so I can exit it once the green histogram bar hits the buy line. I don't really like exiting there, but if I opened up 2, I would definitely close 1 down there. Or and better way to actually close the trade down would be this. You take this trade right here till this pink line goes up to the blue line and you get out. And that's it. The one I favor is I open up 2. I let this ride all the way up on the daily till it gets up here. And then I leave one open anyways, and I let them run by locking the other one in profit that's left open and let the trade run. Why would I do that? Because the very first time this was called out, for definitely then I would do it, is when it went up and touched, it just came back down a little bit, reloaded, and did it again and went up again, much like it's doing now. It's doing a daily, weekly buy thing right now, and that's when I get out. You can use the core, fill in the gap to get out, or you can use the sniper pink to blue line to get out. I would use the sniper pink to blue line to get out, and do use it, and it's in your rules, by the way. Please read those over. Boy, oh boy. Any other questions, TikTok or YouTube? Please ask away. Now is your time. Anything you got? Why am I in a trade? Why did you lose a trade? What happened here? What happened there? Just ask. I'm 100% just gonna let you know how it goes. Look at these great call outs. Two. D1 in the huge money. D2 in huge money. This is your third one now. First is best, Ricky Bobby, but third one's gonna pay. It'll come back. So pick the blue line and higher time. No. Well, let's be clear. If I was trading 1 hours, right? If I was doing a 1 hour, right? And we were doing a 1 hour sell, then I would have to do this. In order to do this, would have to be a daily sell, which it is. So then I would take this 1 hour sell. Well, it depends. So if I'm doing the 1 hour alone and I'm doing it against a 15-minute or a 3-minute or a 5-minute or 1 minute, which 1 hour is a 3-minute, 1 minute, a 30-second trade, then I would do it until the 1 hour pink line comes down and touches the blue. So it depends on what you're selling and or buying and where you're going with it. If I was doing something short term on a 30-second trade, I would be very hard pressed to hold that trade long term. Not saying I would. I would just be. It'd have to be a very hard up. It would have to go up really, really fast, really, really strong. So what I'm talking about with these daily weeklies is the ones that I like to trade. So if I'm doing daily weekly for 4 hours, I'll use my daily as my guide. Absolutely, I would. But it depends. I mean, if you're literally trading 5-second trades, don't wait for the daily line to come up to the blue or the weekly line to do it. It just doesn't make any sense. It can happen, but it's going to be a fucking rarity for a 5-second or 10-second or 15-second trade to turn into a daily trade. You'll have so many daily buys in between there. It doesn't even make sense to hold that trade. Just make your normal profit of like 5-10 pips on NAS. Or like I was going to show you. Look, let me show you. When we were trading these trades, we were doing US 30 the last couple of weeks and such. I'll just show you what it looks like. Here's a 10-second chart. Watch. This is so much fun when you start combining everything. All right. So right here, we have our logo. This is just, it happens every morning. We have our logo, came over, blah, 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 came over, blah, blah, went down. This is 10-second charts, okay? Then over here, we had our blue line go down. Zoop. First time it formed its little M and came down. Second time it came up and then came down, right? So it was an M, double top. And it came down nice and good. Perfect little trade right inside of a buy stop. But that's how powerful the sniper is. It overrules the actual system itself. It overrules it. Now watch. Here is your, watch. This right here is our logo, comes back over, forms M, comes over. When you see this pink cross the purple right here, and it hasn't come down yet, you can take the trade for entry, right? So that would be somewhere about here. Then it goes down, then it comes up, and then it finishes. How does it finish? The pink line comes all the way down, rise again and comes down. The purple line comes all the way down. Then it crosses. So when this cross happens, you can get out. Or in this case, you're going to probably just take whatever little shitty tips you can get. It was somewhere around there. There. You could have got, well, that's a lot. You could have got 15 to 20, 23 pips on that little trade on a 10-second trade. So that combines the pink purple. That combines the blue being low, pink being high. That combines a double top M, the whole 9 yards. Now, I would prefer you guys to do something better, which is you match them. But again, you can do trade however you wanna trade, doesn't matter to me what the fuck. No, 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 let me get over here. Look, this is what you wanna do. Fuck yeah. I think this is this morning. This sure looks like it. Alright. 10-second chart, US 30. 10-second chart. Number 1, this is how you wanna trade this, so just so we're clear. 1, blue line text, 10-second chart comes up. 2, pink line comes low. Then there's a 3 is the higher time frame different, blah, 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 but it isn't. So let's come over here. Look. Oh, come on. Come on. All right. Now watch. First time it happens the best, buy, stop, fill in the gap to the blue line. Then it does it again. And look at this combination. Then blue line stays high, pink and purple line come low. This is where that purple line really pays off. Then it crosses it, fills in the gap, and it's going to the 10-second blue line. Look at that shit. That is your entry point. When they cross, you have the fill in the gap. It's filling in the gap towards the 10-second blue line. That's it. Free money. That is free money. Doesn't matter whether the same trade goes on a 10-second, 10-minute, 1 hour daily. When you see this setup like that, just run to the bank. And I'm guaranteeing you this buy, stop, then this will be red somewhere. I'm guessing the 5-second. I doubt it's the 1. Let's see. Let's go back a little bit and see what we can see. Maybe. There it is. Yeah, there it is. So there's your 5-second buy stop. That's when all 3 of them hook down. Green, 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 red, green, green to the 5-second blue. You couldn't get any better trade than this right here. So not only is it a 5-second to the blue line sniper entry, it's a 10-second sniper to the blue line entry. Are you kidding me? Literally giving us free money. Literally giving us free money. How can I say that? Because everything that we want is there. Everything that we want is there. You must have 20 different indicators saying this trade is going to go up. Watch, I'll show you how. We'll open up both charts. We're going to put our our 10-second trade here, our 5-second trader. This is ridiculous. I don't recommend you all doing this, but whatever you want to do in life. And let's go back to here. And let's see where we were. Oh boy, I don't know if you can find it. Let's see where we were. Was I on NAS or was it yesterday? I could have swore I was on NAS. Hold on. Why is everything freezing? I think the computer said we had enough today. There we go. All right, let's see. Another. I should probably read your comments. Hold on one second. All right, let's see what's being said over here. What are your favorite? I told you, you're welcome. So pink to blue on higher time frames, kind of. Another 50,000 Apex count. Thank you, God. Nice, Matt. Congratulations, Matt Parker, standing O. Yay, good job, buddy. Just curious, in the past, did you ever find yourself falling into any of the common trading psychology pitfalls? Prevent trading in the past, yeah, but I haven't been that way in years. What's up, bro? There's 5 spots left to go. Only left 5 spots left. No, 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 they're not. Oh no, we're going to go past. We're at 103 or 105 on our tier 3. No, we still have 150. You're talking about the actual systems. No, there's the normal systems is unlimited. The only time I'm probably going to stop the actual entrances is going to be on the signals. Tier 3 signals, once they get to 150, I'll probably stop at that. Not for sure, but probably. All right, so let's take a look. Where did our little thing go? I thought it was interesting. Oh, jeez, I'm gonna have to go hunt down the fucking spot again. Anybody remember what day that was? Fuck. Let me see if we can go to 15 seconds, maybe 1 minute. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Oh, thank God. All right. So it was US 30. It was US 30, August 2nd, 2118. US 30, August 2nd, 2118. So there we go. So we're going to need to go to 10 second, 5 second. Let's see which one's on which side. Oh, jeez. There we go. All right. So here we go. This is the 5 second chart. Boop. We need to make this, we'll make it to 10. I hate to do it backwards, but it is what it is. All right. So here we go. Let's take a look at everything you're looking at, TikTokers and YouTube. I'm going to have to flip this. Jeez, it's a really TikTok close. Oh, do I have more room over here? Hold on. Yeah. That's better. I was wondering why I'm so crunched up. That was terrible. All right, much better. All right, here we go. Now, just to be clear, it's a little backwards for the moment. We have 10 seconds on the left. We have shoot fire. Oh, nope, we can't do it then. I'm going to make that the 5 second watch. There. All right. 10 second on the left. Chart, US 30, 5 second on the right. You have the 10. These are extraordinarily fast time frames. I'm just teaching you now. I can't say I don't trade this. We do trade this before market open a lot, just to get people money. So you have your blue line high, pink line low came down once. Then you had the pink and the purple come down twice. Then you had the blue come down with it. This is the power of the sniper. When you see this setup, I'm going to show you so many things that are going to blow your mind. Watch how easy this is. I'm going to show you all the right green up things. I'm going to explain how it works. First of all, this blue being low against this blue being high, that's two correct things. These pink and purple both coming down are amazing buys. You have the pink and the purple crossing down here. So now we're up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of my indicators saying buy. Then you come over to here, you have your three green lines, 1, 2, and 3, all saying buy. Then you actually have this little red thing down, which is a buy, but we won't get to that. The box is both green and green here. It's going to our blue line. Then you come over to this time frame. You have green, green, green. You have the fill in the gap. I'll show you exactly what that is in a second. You have green, green. Of course, you have our logo here, and you have our logo here, and you have going to the blue line here. This is our logo, just in case anyone forgets what it is. We have only one way to trade. This is your buy, starts low, comes up, goes over. That is what it looks like here. Does it over here also at the same time right there. There you go. Now, if you look at all these things, right, there's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll show you what this is in a second. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You actually have 24 up signals, and there is one down. That is our bullshit measure. It's actually supposed to show that is greater than that one down, which equals an up. And it's as simple as that. We have 24 ups. This is how you remember this. If someone ever tried to go into a pool and go down and dive down to the bottom of a pool, let's just say BCM was trying to swim to the bottom of a pool and pick up a quarter. He would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 grown men pushing him up and women. and then he would have an additional 10 more pulling him up. BCM not going down. The trade had no chance to go down. BCM had no chance to go down. The trade had to go up, and it went up. That's a lot of markings on this chart, but let me show you some really cool parts of it so you guys can see this shit and go, "Holy crap, how does this all work together?" Just watch. Just watch and see how this all fucking works together. You're going to see this red histogram bars fit into the space over here. And it always does it when it's the right trade. These red histogram bars fit in to this black space right there. Is that not the fucking coolest thing you ever seen? It's like a puzzle piece. Name something else that does it. None of this ever changes. None of this ever repaints. It's always the same. Always that good. Sorry, my TikTok was going on. There we go. All right. So there's 5 spots. Nope, I already answered. That's incorrect. Does everyone get what I just drew out, or was that too much for your heads to comprehend? That should be 7s. You get everything I just drew out, or 9s you do not. I'll wait. Anybody at all? Okay. Well, I'm going to go ahead and go. Does no one get it? Either or? Okay, that's fine. All right. Everybody have a nice weekend. Enjoy yourselves. God bless. Have a great weekend. We shall, I don't know. Are we frozen? Hold on. Maybe we're frozen over here. 7s from, okay. I think we might be frozen on YouTube. Hold on. Wow. Why is the computer doing this so much? It's kind of weird. Let me see if I can get the computer to restart. Wow. Okay. Reported spam there. Had to get rid of them. And let's see, are we back live or not? Let's see. I think TikTok's okay. I think YouTube is fucking around. That's okay. I was gonna end it anyways. Well, TikTokers, I'm gonna go ahead and call it. Y'all have a blessed weekend. Might be on tomorrow morning. I don't know. Probably not. All right. God bless. Talk to y'all later. YouTubers, don't know if you're there or not, actually. Seems like everything on YouTube is frozen, but it's still there. Kind of weird. Oh, could be because I have AnyDesk open. Shoot fire. Yeah, that never helps. Let's see if that's better now. Interesting, because it sure does look like some of the things are working. Hmm. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da.